giwiro mo. Kai madok pera de tima right, loy Acholi tika bera there. Me achiel atiak customary land, according to official statistics, Makona we share in kind, 88% of mom patiak do tiak from Acholi hands. 88%. Mom Acholi people do, and do. Lancha Balaalo by the end of year party, atiak guna year bear. Muro, so down a deep, Muru, year bear. Think tell the yellow mag near me, I can't put down Atiak is what's hit. The second area, Mati, what's the hit is Balaalo in Guru. Balaalo statistics per month is close to 85%. No, many MPs below here, there is a special budget. May you put a model police post in Balaalo. There is a special budget. May you put a modern police post in Balaalo. You have Kuno Yedong and a Kota John. Man in normal UPE schools. In class, UPE schools, the class out of 260, no 163 in those classes in area being Balaalo. So Enidong is not an invasion. Enidong is colonization.
Yeah.
Or whatever it is. So Gimara, Dile Kadewa. Ipalaro bene, Gisu dongo double cabin manien, wegi mom, makundu, and a gora. You can pay a police back to Bulmoma, Odonga Tola, and get back, and they call a law and they call a Gera. The Gisu is more empowered than a resident district commissioner. And for avoidance of doubt, my now President Museveni will bill 3 times. Guru, Achie Rubino Kayebugena. 3 times. The 3rd time, don't get Johan them rights. Kawata Guru from the whole of Uganda. Take a Guru. The whole issue was named Roba teacher for Mama Kunu Wayne, dear in the survivors of the estate of Bakenyi. So Balaalo Magiti Kunu Magwani Mamdini, Mamman Karabu, the DA, my title, the DA. So we take a chair of Kunu and kidnap or womb. The Emmanuel Balaalo Mamun that's quarters, when you go away.
Yamo.
Magu Beru family Bakenyi, Kageramu de register, me leaving the land title, where Kimeni give one local hotel full choir. Now, take a bill before Parliament, Kimeni dig land fund, me compensating the family Bakenyi get for where Balaalo be Kunu, Jalumambi. This is a statement of fact and not opinion. I know I can get the Padaram thing, law, mother thing. So I put a deal that I did. The law of my team, no put out the Ramapa, getting up a man. So that is the situation in Balaalo. There was something I wanted to say.
The 3rd one.
Okay, before. Now, the position still one, which has been explored in academia on how to deal with Balaalo, according to Professor Kone.